Hello everyone and welcome to another R&R Partners video. Today we are going to discuss the differences between a CNP number and a NIF number. What are the similarities between them and what are the differences? If you are new to the channel and you're interested in either emigrating to Romania or opening a Romanian business, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel as we post here frequently questions regarding the procedures and what expats need to do to be legally set up in Romania. According to the Romanian law, in order to do any commercial activities as a natural person, you need to be registered for tax purposes. So, according to the Romanian law, there are three types of CNP numbers, each with their own benefits and their own downsides. The first type of CNP number is the one allocated for Romanian citizens. Usually, they start with either 1 or 2 for Romanian citizens which were born the 1900s and up to 1999. Those who are born between the 2000 and 2099, they start with either 5 or 6. The second type of CNP number are those issued for immigrants or expats as we call them. Usually they start with either 7 or 8. The last type of CNP number, the one that we also call a NIF number, is the one that is issued from the Romanian tax authority and they usually start with 9. As a curiosity, did you know that the Romanian CNP number is not randomly allocated to you and actually you can read it? For example, the first digit of the CNP number states the sex of a person. 1, 5 and 7 is issued for males and 2, 6 and 8 is issued for females. The next two digits are usually your year of birth. So if your CNP number starts with 288, that means that you are a female born in 1988. The next two digits afterwards is the month in which you are born, and the other two digits is the date. Now, most of you probably know that, but also the next two digits, the 8th and the 9th digit, usually represent the county where you were born, or for expats, the county where you were first registered. So each and every county has a code. For example, Bucharest has 40, Bucharest District 1 has 41, District 2 is 42, and so on. The next three digits are randomly allocated and the last digit is a control digit. Basically, there is a mathematical formula through which you add, subtract, and do some mathematical operations so you can verify that the CNP is in order. Most of the online systems that we have in Romania do these calculations automatically and they issue a response if the CNP number is correct or not. The above mentioned criteria of checking the CNP numbers apply only for either Romanian citizens or the CNP numbers issued by the immigration authority. For those that are issued by the tax authority, for example, the NIF numbers, they are not applicable. The ones that are issued by the tax authority, they start with a 9, there are many zeros, and then there is a count of the person who has the CNP number. If you are in a situation in which you either need a NIF number or a CNP number and you do not know where to start from, do note that you can always book a consultation with us and we will guide you throughout the whole procedure so you'll not have any issues with the Romanian authorities. Now that you know what a CNP number is, let's speak about the NIF number, how you can spot it and how does it differ from a CNP number. First, the NIF number is issued by the Romanian tax authorities and usually they are issued for expats who do not have a right to live in Romania but they want to do economic activities. For example, either they want to buy a property or they need to get a digital signature, but they don't actually want to live in Romania. Secondly, for the NIF number, you will need a tax curator. That is either a Romanian citizen, a Romanian expat, or even a Romanian company. And this person will vouch that you will be paying all your taxes in Romania. So, for the CNP number, which is issued by the Romanian authorities for citizens or by the immigration authorities for expats, you do not need a legal curator or a tax curator or someone who will be liable for your taxes, but for the NIF number, you do need this person. Another difference is that the CNP number usually is issued by the immigration authority and has a validity attached to it. Even for Romanian citizens, for example, you need an ID card which will have a set validity time frame. However, for the NIF numbers, the tax authority issues it, but it does not have a validity term. If you are finding our content useful, especially this video, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button, because it also helps other expats who are in search of the differences between a NIF number and a Romanian CNP number. Lastly, remember that there is a hierarchy between the CNP numbers and also between the CNP numbers and the NIF numbers. Basically, if you obtained a NIF number and then you register as an expat in Romania, you need to go back to the tax authority and cancel that NIF number and link it to your CNP number. The same applies even between CNP numbers. If you're an expat in Romania and you have a CNP number, afterwards you got the Romanian citizenship, you must go to the Romanian tax authority and notice that your CNP number changed and all your taxes that you paid as an expat while you are in the process of getting the citizenship will be linked to your Romanian CNP number. So in case you want to have a pension paid by the Romanian government, the Romanian authorities will know that what you contributed while you're an immigrant will be considered contributions while you are a citizen. So thank you for watching. I hope that you got a lot of useful information from this video, and also consider following us on Facebook and Instagram, as we also post there and you can be up to date with our activity. See you soon and have a nice day. Bye!